Alrighty, folks, what's going on? This is Matt here for Dark One Likes Tech and Gaming, where this is a fusion of likes technology and gaming, and we are looking at a new phone. This is the I don't know if you can see that TCL 20 Pro 5G. This came out in about mid 2012, 2021. Wow, I'm getting old. This is a replacement phone for what I was currently using, which is the Blue Bold N2, which more operator error on the reason for the replacement phone. Somehow I dropped my Bold N2, and basically the digitizer just doesn't work anymore. The screen's fine, but like you actually tried to tap anything, factory reset, all the normal jazz, and nothing works. So like the digitizer is just screwed, unfortunately. So for me, it's just one of those, oh, okay, here's the budget I was looking for. So I was actually looking at the Bold N3, which came out this year. Blue has finally become a little bit better about at least the security updates, not necessarily the Android upgrades, but like the Blue Bold N2 had, I think, August. I'm trying to remember which security update it had, but anyway, I had a budget and it was only about $200. So this and the 40 version were the ones that came across my door as far as like affordable. The reason I didn't go with the N3 is it was $199 and then it was $249. Pretty much the only reason I didn't go to. So spec wise, this has, well, we'll get into the specs and all that stuff. I got this for $191 off eBay. This is directly from TCL as a refurb unit. So Amazon was selling these for about 230 something last I looked. So let's go and open this and see how this goes through. So there's your box. Okay, so the nice thing, very first thing you see is the phone. I can tell this is a refurb unit just based off the crack open plastic and stuff. That's different. Used to that sticking to the phone. Just a quick look. See, a lot of the thing what I really liked about this particular was a lot of the design stuff. I like the fact that the camera bump is not existent. It's seamless with the phone. Glass, curved. It's a little thinner than the Bold N2 that I had. Kind of feels like a Sony phone almost. Headphone jack, novel fucking idea. Speaker grill, USB-C, SIM. Does take micro SD as well for expansion. I don't remember exactly what the overall stuff is. So then you got your volume up, volume down, power button, and I believe it has a programmable key. Resolution is like 20 by 9. I don't remember the exact. It's like 24 or something by 1080. There's that. Somebody took a cue from Blue. Not the best case in the world, but you know what? I'll take a free case any day of the week. How well does that fit? Oh. Like I said, not the best case in the world, but you know, free case is a free case nonetheless. And then we got it's like 18 to 20 watt fast charging brick with USB-C cable. And that's kind of your unboxing for it. Not a lot going on there as far as that. I will say that overall, I do like the condition of the phone. You could tell it was open because I didn't tear that apart. So yeah. You know, it's funny being a Linux user and kind of getting suckered into having to use Android phones, just for all the things that, you know, we do. 6 gigs, 256 gigs of internal storage as far as the phone. Super AMOLED, I think. Like, it's a really bright AMOLED screen. So we'll start and skip. Continue. Thanks. No, do not scan, do not send. So it does have face unlock. It also has biometrics. I believe it's also a in-screen fingerprint reader as well. So super white background, as you can tell. Choose now and image enhancement video. Yep, that's fine. Home screen style. So kind of these are going to be a little hard to see just because of the background more than anything else, but let's see. Separate apps screen will be able to swipe up. So they give you the option of the iPhone or the traditional Android apps and stuff like that. Lock screen. We'll go with the TCL default. Setup is complete. Blah, blah, blah. I'll read that later. I don't want to join that. So, just to give you an indication, that brightness is only about halfway. That is how bright it gets. Yeah, there's no SIM. Google Play Protect. So yeah, I mean, there's really not a lot to it right now. It's Android. There's probably going to be a few updates. I haven't actually checked any of that stuff, so I might have to log in to see what that looks like. No, it does have QR scan, which is nice as far as Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's there's a good amount of bloat that I am not a fan of. So what have we got by default here? We got Netflix, Facebook, Booking.com. Some optimization thing. What the hell is this? News, like a smart key programmer, which whatever, that's fine. Google Apps, Duo. I had more Google Apps. Let's go to settings and go to system update. Yeah. So this has the update from Android. What version? Android 12. So that's nice for a phone that came out in 2021. So they do updates fairly well, apparently. So that is good to see. Yeah, other than that, I believe it's been a while since we've had to set this up. Themes. Apply. I want system-wide dark theme. Dark mode. Dark mode. Turn it on now. There we go. So for those that don't know, my eyes bother me after a while, so we tend not to do bright white screens. Other than that, yeah. I mean, just navigating around while it's still doing stuff, it feels snappy. So, like, that's good, even with the, quote unquote limitation of 6 gigs of RAM. So, yeah. For $199, basically, I can't really complain. I keep my expectations low as far as that stuff. The cameras, if I remember, it's like 50, I think it's 50 on the regular, 16 on the ultra wide, 2 and 2 on the macro. Kind of pointless cameras there. And the front, I believe, is like 32 if you want the like megapixel count. Like, I don't remember the apertures and all the other stuff, but yeah, other than that, so yeah, this is gonna upgrade to Android 12, and we'll see how that goes. Other than that, I will catch you guys on the next one. This has been Matt for Dark One Life Taking Gaming. And remember to comment, rate, subscribe, any gala, Patreon, all that stuff in the comment section down below. Peace.